Alright, continuing previous video, let's say we want to calculate rainfall of each province as a percentage of total rain in Oman for 2026. For this purpose, first of all, we need a specific field that is contained of total rain for 2026. That has, as I mentioned, for calculate that, it's enough go to the summarize, set to the sum, and give me a specific report that after open that it is 829. Okay, for the next step we need to create the new field as a, for example, percentage 2026 double right click to the new field. Okay, divide rainfall 2026 by total rain multiply 100. All right. Okay. As you see, percentage of the rainfall has been calculated properly. For the next step, I want to label each province based on the percentage. For this, click on the specific layer, go to the labeling, go to the expression, okay, set on the Python. This expression is for coming to the next line. Okay. All right. It's done. But as you see, the percentage value is a too long. I prefer to round the table in the attribute table. For this purpose, let's go to the edit, change the formula in the calculate field, round it, for example, 2. All right, it's better. Now let's decrease the height of the text. All right, that's it for today. In this video, we calculated the rainfall percentage for each province and labeled them. And in the previous video, we created the pie chart. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support and comments really motivate me to keep going. Stay tuned for the next video. See you.